Alright my friends, welcome back. So now we're just going to be doing a little video on basing, and I'm just basing the model. I'm just using PVA glue or Gorilla Glue, and I'm just evenly applying that across the base just to give them an even coat. So just carefully going around the edges and just applying that. Okay, so once that's dry, I'm just going to get the sand and sprinkle it on evenly, and you can go over the top here because you'll see once you put it everywhere and then shake it off. So make sure you get even spread and then just take it off like that. Or you could leave it on there overnight and then shake it off the next day or in a couple of hours and just give it a little tap with your fingers. Clean up the edges. And just let that rest for about a couple of hours or overnight. And then after all the excess sand is taken off, I just fold up the paper and pour all the sand back into the little pot. It saves a lot of sand and you can reuse it again. Okay, now I'm just going to apply some PVA glue onto the stone. Some pieces of slate here I have, and you can just use a tweezer just to move it around, get it in the right place, and just do the same. I'm just trying to dry fit this other one just to see how it looks, but once you get them in place, then just apply it how you want. And just for good measure, I'm just gonna place the other one next to it and just turn it around, and I'm going to apply some PVA onto the back, and I'm just going to put some rocks and pebbles there as well, so there's a bit of variety. So then with the tweezer I'll just pick up one by one and just place them and move them around to however I feel it's natural, so however you feel happy with. Okay, and don't worry about the PVA glue, that will dry and become see-through, transparent. Well, it looks like a bit of a blob now, but it will be transparent. Get some Nun oil and go over the whole base with it, and then I will use Chaos Black to go over the stones and pebbles. So you just work your way around the base until it's all covered. And once that's all dry, the black, I will use Dawnstone for the first a layer paint, Citadel one, for the first dry brush. So I'll dry most of the paint off and I'll just work my way over the base and just dry brushing, building up the layers slowly, and just slowly and lightly. Just have to be patient with this, don't rush it. And it's alright if it's a bit rough because, you know, it is stone and terrain. So just working my way through the base. And lastly, I'll finish off with a dry brush with a lighter base color from Citadel, Corex White, and I will just put that on the tissue, wipe off the excess paint, and just go over the stones and all the edges where most of the sharp highlights will be, and over the sand as well. Okay, so I hope you like this small little tutorial. If you do, please like and subscribe, and be sure to sign up to the regular newsletter. The link is below in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, have fun painting.